Hey Lydia, it's me. I had a few minutes, so I thought I'd try to explain this a little bit. First of all, I don't know if you've gone back over to the textbook here. This is page 185, and this is kind of like a little bit of a review. Oh, geez, wow. Sorry, hold on a second. I just totally jumped off of that. Okay. So this is really about using the future participle and the future infinitive to express future action. You can do it with a simple future verb, but in this chapter we learn a new way to say things. Like, I mean, maybe you'll remember the soldier says, "Pugnatura sum." I am going to fight bravely. I will fight bravely. And then the soldier says that he is going to fight bravely. Here's the future infinitive here. And this is the future participle joined with the present verb, present forms of essay. I'm sure we've done several exercises on this now, but yeah, it's been 9 days. But you might want to just go back and look at your at the assignments that are related to this, but I would read through this carefully here, all of this that goes down to just about here. And most of what you need is in here, but let me just go back to what your thing is. Like, for example, let's say cum participium futuri conjungitur cum tempore praesenti verbi esse fit futurum alterum, otherwise known as futurum in praesenti. So this basically says when the future participle is joined with a verb with a with the tense of the present verb esse, that's the sum est, sumus est sunt, sumus estis sunt, sorry. So when that future participle, for example, monituros right here, is joined with sum, it becomes fit another future, or a second future, you can say, otherwise known as the future in the present, as it's called. So this again is like, you can say scribam, which is like I will write, or you can do that with this other form using that future participle. In this case, it would be scripturus and sum. Scribes is just second person singular for this verb here, and this is third person singular. So I will let you try to figure out what goes there. And then what happens when the future participle is joined with the infinitive esse? What happens? What is made? Something future is made. Scripturum esse. And that is called, and this is where this is covered right here, participium and infinitivus futuri, pugnatorum esse, and then it tells you what these things are right here, right? So it says pugnatorum esse est infinitivus futuri. So there it is right there. Pugnatorum esse is the future infinitive, and I think that's what's being looked for there. So, and then the rest of it is just, let's see, vocare. Okay, so the present infinitive is vocare. The future infinitive is what, and you have to fill that in. And then there's this passives too, right? So the supine, this supinum, is the fourth principal part of a verb, and when it's joined with ere, we had one exercise on this right before we went to vacation. So when this is joined with ere, and it says that's the present passive infinitive of the verb ire, which means to go. When it is joined with that, something of the future passive is made. Scriptum ire. I will let you figure that out. Scribi is the infinitive present, and scriptum ire is what? Infinitivus, the present passive infinitive is mutari, and the future passive infinitive is something, and then a word goes here too. So I'm going to let you try to, like, with that, what I've given you there. I'm going to let you try to take a shot at this again, and then feel free to like contact me like early this evening. Okay. Good luck.